videos right now.
Take pictures while you see
Morning.
Morning.
Just gonna leave it there?
Sure, why not?
How are you? A little cold, how are you?
Not bad.
Nice to see you take it out.
Good morning, you guys. What's up? Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Empty elevator. Sucks being in a condo sometimes, but good morning, guys. What's up? Early rise today. Like I said last video, we're going to get a video done this Sunday hopefully, and guess what? The weather's prevailed. It's not warmed up, but the rain has stopped, so semi good. Hercon's already out front, so we're gonna go hop in and I'll meet you there. All the camera equipment. Hey guys, so we're here at the first meet of the year. It's sorry, the sun's in my eyes. We've got pretty great turnout actually, better than I thought. Well, there's a couple failures already this year. So first failure is, well, I was borrowing a friend's camera to start vlogging to see if I could get a camera and how I'd do with that, and well, he gave me 3 batteries and 2 of them were dead. One of them I burnt through with the video that's dropping, the last video that just dropped, and well, with that being said, it was pretty tough when I got 1 battery to go for today, fully charged, and then when I started vlogging, man, just look at that. Whew. But when I started vlogging today, the battery was flashing red, so I thought it would last till I got here and got at least something, but you know, it died right away. And then second failure was I'm using the Osmo right now, and I forgot my mic stand, so I'm literally walking around like a card holding a mic, so it's not as windy for you guys and some good images. But check that out, like look at that. What a view. So first stop of the year. Hopefully you guys enjoy the season. So season 2 is going to be a lot better, a lot more content coming your way, and hopefully some more guys show up. But pretty good turnout so far. If you guys already haven't, check out the last video of getting the car out of storage, and check out the Bugatti video. What'd you guys think of that video? Should I go back to Vegas and go back to royalty and try and get a startup, maybe? I mean, unfortunately Houston wasn't there, the owner. Well, let's go see these cars. fiber wheels. I don't know if you guys can see that on the side.
It's kind of funny, I know, but they say if it runs out, it'll go on to basically they have 4 competition packages. But I have to have an app. Yeah, it's great. Last year I met up with another guy, kind of buyers.
Well, what you have to do is, and I can show you, check the box.
I didn't do a video.
Yeah, no, I didn't either, but I checked his box. I used to low sport, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so.
They locked you up?
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
What he did?
partners are martinis, right?
Got a 720S and a loud ass R8. Like, listen to this. It's gotta be an R8. He has a older style previous version, the single for it's fucking beautiful traffic but it's still nice to see. You can see it up close. I just think the car looks so dirty with it. That's why I don't like it. It's like dirt. That's honestly what I thought it was when I first saw it. I know it's safe. Oh, it's not manual. What's that for? Well guys, I'll do a little walk through some of the cars. Alright guys, so as usual, if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, crush that subscribe button, and I'll see you next video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up, free giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. Check out the merch for 10% off, link in the description below.